offer numerous avenues for empowerment across various sectors.
Applications of emerging technologies for empowerment. First is mobile health monitoring apps. Second is e-learning platforms. Third is telemedicine.
These tools enhance safety and healthcare access, particularly for marginalized groups. For instance, apps like Safe City allows users to report harassment incidents and access reproductive health resources. Remote consultations and wearable health devices enable real-time patient monitoring, improving healthcare access in underserved areas. Platforms such as Coursera and Khan Academy democratize education by providing remote access to courses in tech, finance, and vocational skills.
How can emerging technologies be used for empowerment? Emerging technologies are developed or rapidly evolving innovation that hold the potential of significantly impact various aspects for society, industry, and daily life.
Trends in ICT for empowerment. Social media. Platforms enable users to create, share, and exchange content, facilitating communication and information dissemination. Mobile technologies. The increasing of use of smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices for accessing the internet and performing various tasks. Assistive media. Technologies and platforms designed to assist individuals with disabilities in accessing digital content and services. Convergence, the synergy of different technological advancements working towards a common goal, such as using smartphones for tasks traditionally performed by other